Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reset oil maintenance light on this Hyundai Sonata 2016. And you can see here's the button right here. Keep pressing this one, go to the range, and I think we're gonna go to the setting. There's a service interval. When you press this one, you can see only you can change like how many miles you can the oil change lights should showing right there, and they pop up in the screen. But that's not all. You're gonna go to the range. You see the range, you're gonna go and keep the OK button, hold it for a few seconds. Yeah, you see 5,182 days that the message gonna showing automatically for this one. But now it has reset it and you're good. Thank you. If you like my more videos and I can make for your videos, like for example commending your car, make and model and year, then I gonna just making a video for that one as well. If you like my videos, you just like share it, like and comment it. Thank you all.